First of all, let's create a React function. Return test text. It's working now. We can create a form inside this return. Create an input type file. On change handle change function will be called. To create handle change, first of all we need to create a variable and another function named setFile, whose initial state is empty. To use state inside React, we need to import it from React library. Now let's create a handle change function. File gets stored inside event.target.files at 0 array. When the change happens, it will call the file selected, so we are going to console.log it, and here we can see the file data which is selected. Now let's create a button function. On submit, we will call handle form function. Let's create a form data. Let's append file information inside form data. Inside variable file attachment, we will save the file information. We can also pass dummy file name or other information along with this data. Now let us create Axios. Axios need to be installed first. We use Axios to handle APIs. First of all, we give URL where Axios API will be. method is set to post. Multipart slash form data is a content type used to upload files. So we need to pass it as header and data as form data. It is showing some errors. Let's fix it. Here is a comma error. Let's write the complete function first, and after that we will find errors. There was a need of comma after headers, and an extra bracket need removed. Errors are gone now. Let's try updating file. Currently it's saying pass-through API is not defined yet. If we check the network, we can see that inside payload file is data is not sent to any API yet. We need to handle this issue. This issue has been found a lot, and a lot of online questions regarding it. You can see in API still data is in the form of objects, but the actual data is still not present to send to the API. We need to write it in a different way. Let's also update it inside the form data. After this change, you can see inside the API the payload contains binary information, and this includes the file name and content type. So now it is possible to send it to the API. Let's create the API now. API will be created in PHP. We create an index.php file. We will write a code to get the payload and save it inside our directory. First of all, we will fetch post to request method. If the target directory is missing, then we will create a directory using this code. Files inside PHP gets fetched using $_files. We have made lowercase. Now we use PHP Smooth uploaded file function to get the files and upload it in our directory. We will create a response if it is successful. Display file name along with the message. file fails to upload, then there will be an error message. Let's make one for success. The status 0 will show if it's error. It will show the message if it's an error. Let's create a condition if the file gets passed or not. If the file passed is empty, then this code will not run. For which we will check if there is a file name along with the data passed. If file name data is present, then this code will run. Let's try to upload a file. We need to correct the API path first. It's showing an Axios error, the file got uploaded. This error is of serious type if we are sending data to a database. Access control allow region needs to be fixed. Files are correctly uploading, or we will also fix this error. For it, we need to add the header in PHP file for access control allow region. We also need to create a .htaccess file for it. This is a very important code. all type of API connections. React.js usually have this error and it needs to be fixed. Let's give it directory name as well, so that the directory will get created if it's missing. If I refresh the page and create a new file, file gets uploaded inside the images directory. The images are uploading successfully. Thanks for watching.